in your role as franchising mediation advisor, what kind of advice would you offer someone looking to invest in a franchise in terms of avoiding a dispute down the track?
Yeah, sure. So we would encourage the parties to try and meet up before signing up to the franchise so that you kind of have an idea as to who your franchisor is and what they're like, whether you can actually have open communication so that, in the future, if anything changes in your franchise system, that you're able to talk to them about that. It's important to take the 14-day cooling off period wisely and research during that time to know more about the franchise system before you sign up so that you have an informative decision about the franchise system. Yeah.
And once you've signed up and you're actually involved in running the franchise, what kind of steps can you take to ensure that you don't get into a dispute?
Sure. I'd encourage the parties to try and raise the issue early to avoid unnecessary escalation, and try and avoid blame as well. Often it's really easy to point the finger to the other person because they've created the problem, but usually it's really helpful to look at the issue objectively and try and step back and see how you can resolve the issue with the other party. We really encourage the parties to try and meet up or give each other a call to have a discussion about it, or even email as well, so you can keep a good record of what you've discussed about, so that the parties would just have a really good idea as to what the other person wants and how they can resolve the issue together. And we encourage open communication. It's just so important to just be able to openly communicate about what issues you might be having or what concerns that you might be having, so that in that way the parties would understand each other better and work better as a team as well, because that keeps a franchise relationship healthy, like open communication. Yeah.